So vlog girl, what go on? As when you can see me just awake. Kinda like I start the vlog them in a bathroom, even though the fan make noise. Sorry about that. In a room that. I just get up. I like 9:30 in the morning and the video post. The last vlog I want to watch when me say I call her to apologize. Me I see comment them are coming fast. Everybody have them point of view and on the situation. Dog, this shit crazy. Someone have burn me out, someone on the on my side, someone on the on Megan's side, someone on the on Mel's side. Me I put this out there for you. Give me no feedback. I don't care. So you can say what you want to say. It's nice. But today me just awake. Megan, she left a missed call on my phone, but me not call her back yet. I go call her back sometime today. Me not go call her back right away. I know why. So Megan, when you see this, it's for a good reason. So nobody with the petty shit. But right now, we're about to go bed. We're going to link my godson and Bingy today. Yeah. Now we do it for the vlog. And we're back. So I just done bed and fresh up and think about to touch on the road. I know I say I left out, but I just left out now. So when you watch this, him and him watch the vlog. So I have to say there's something. Bingy, when you watch this, I like it and tell you I left out. I just left out now. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I just stopped at a gas station a while ago and get gas. Watch me shirt. I don't know if you not go see it now. But me just hug up on fan. Yeah, see me just tilt the camera. Me just hug up on fan. I watch it and make up this, you know. Buckler, me love that shirt here, you know. And that's why I don't wear white, you know. Because I tired of people who now hug me up and I left makeup on me. John Woo style. And this now come off because I try to brush it off. Shit!
Yes.
You think I should get a baby tiger?
No, big tiger.
Okay, we'll get a big tiger. So we're there with Junior. Tell him what's up. Say what's up.
What's up?
You say you want to talk about the tarantula?
My uncle gave me a tarantula.
Yeah, we give one tarantula. I'm still have a tarantula. Alright, this one. It got bigger? Yeah, what you feed it already so far? You want to show them? Go.
Yeah.
You know how to flip the camera?
Yeah, we put the leaves right there.
Yeah, right there. He's in the hole right there.
Uh-huh.
So Juna is going to a party right now.
To Big Junior's party.
Yeah. You gonna bring back some for me? What you drinking?
Orange juice.
Oh. You gonna have fun?
I'm about to have fun.
Where's Nine Eye?
I don't know.
Oh. Mommy carrying you or Uncle Charlie? Alright, bye. I'm going to party. And him father there chill. Met in the building. Cross out. He's zone out. Who they are all our vibes when I watch the game. Meds glad say film side win still.
And on my side still, you know.
Oh no, his side where you bet pan.
No, I not that necessarily. I decide when we rate our Premier League still.
Oh.
My side,
GX?
my side is Bayern Munich. My side is Bundesliga. But
GX?
yeah,
GX just lose a while ago.
GX at Chelsea, you know. GX at Chelsea.
Yeah.
Tell him saying they're gonna lose, you know. They're famous. Tell him say Pool are gonna win, you know.
Yeah.
That his team when we rate over by sitting there over Premier League. We rate them from when sitting there. Sterling did over the Sterling, Sturridge, and Suarez.
Mm-hmm. I see the game just done a while ago. Right, that's up on the TV. We just don't watch it.
GX.
It ended in a penalty shootout. GX, we know you're sick right now. Play a voice note real quick. Play it quick. Right there, here.
Yes! Fucking yes! Yes! Yo, Manny and Blood Clot Mendy, extra personal between the two of them. This is sweet me. This sweet me. If me even lose the cup right now, me have to say Mendy saving penalty. Fuck!
And then lose.
And then lose. And that's sweet me.
Ooh, Mela call me. See me I catch it. Let me just put my phone for screen record so we can catch her. Hold on. Hello?
Yeah, what's up?
There we are dealing.
So, yeah, I've been trying to call you from day, but I guess you were busy. I read the comments.
So,
And
what that say?
they're basically saying that I'm like basically doing too much, and I don't really think
But
I
Mel,
am.
me feel like you do too much still. Okay, can make me and Megan go and chill and we do we thing. Me just a come off a road too. Now I expect you to call me back. Cause me call you, me say you call me, you know. Don't feel like you forgive me and Megan a break though.
Right? The thing is,
Mm-hmm.
like I stated in my post, basically like we're 7 years apart, and people don't know that, right? She's my little sister.
Mel, but you know me good with her. You know me good with her.
Right? Yes, but hold on now. I made up my mind. I'm gonna step back because even though we're 7 years apart, she's still a big woman. She's still able to make her own decisions, and it is what it is. You feel me? It is what it is. Just don't break her heart, you know. But
Mel, but alright, pre this. Though when I come on you, me tell her say me a date other girl.
yes,
And she know this. So if me supposed to do not with no other girl or well, me kinda see she give me a pass to the girl that she know about already.
she got mad because you did it in front of her. Dating is one thing, but then doing the action, right, in front of the girl that you're dating.
Yeah, but if she a rub up body and I think more rub up body. Well, alright. Me apologize. Me apologize.
It's because it was like in front of her.
Okay.
Like behind, like you at a party or doing your thing or whatever, you know, that's okay. But it's the fact that it was in front of us. You feel me? But again, I'm gonna step back. You know, I'm not gonna have any kind of influence with her decision if she wanna continue dating or not.
Yeah.
You feel me? I don't want nothing to do with that.
Yeah.
And you know, so
Yeah, they are road.
Yeah. I'm at Buddha Bar.
Oh, phone keep on a signal a drop. But
Huh?
no, me say phone signal a drop. Yeah, but we talk to you tomorrow then, cause I know it late in the night. Go on. But dog, just make me and Megan do a thing. You see me? You know if it always alright, cool.
Okay.
And you mind if me video this, cause me have video this. Me know you have a problem now, me have video everything, but me have video this while me talk to you. Yes. Me have my other phone and try to catch it. Me don't know if it a video, but me have my other phone and video. Me that try screen record, me don't know if it a
Hold on. Okay, so since I know you're on video now. Hello, Trabass fans and supporters. Hi. You know, forgive me. You know, I didn't mean to intrude on their
Yeah, man, if you apologize, man.
I did.
Yeah, no, me know. We thank you for your apology.
Right?
We thank you for your apology.
I know Trabass for over 10 years. You feel me? Like, that's my bro.
You know Megan for how long now?
Well, I know, but I'm not going to give my age away, but I'm just overprotective. That's it. Okay? So just, please.
I going to take care of her, Mel, and I'm going to deal with her as best as I can. And you know me not going to play in a game, but you know me I date other girl.
Yes, I know that.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
So as long as we have that clear and we can communicate, everything is fine.
I gotta go.
Alright. Look more then.
Alright, later. Bye.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you see that. Me I pray to God the phone I catch it. Cause it's a good content, you know. Me don't want to miss this. Me get a phone call with Mel. Me miss her call today actually. Cause me did dip on the road shit. Me just reach home, me tired and frost a little bit. So late in the night, I go edit this so I can get it for tomorrow. You see me? Tomorrow I have a bunch of things for go. I have a party for go. And I go pick up a next girl when me a date at the airport. And I know this come off shocking too, you know. I've been dating before Megan, so and all like girl when me a date I go on the pan camera. But I go show her when I go to the airport and go pick her up and all of that. And minor, this is not no girlish thing. Again, I've been dating before Megan, so now actually I see what going on in my life. I have no problem showing y'all, you see me? I just it up to the girl and me a date if them want the pan camera or not. I know everybody go on the pan camera. I understand that, you see me? Life still a go on. So tomorrow I go to the airport go pick up a girl and me a date. And me and Bingy them and Jake supposed to go on party. So hopefully we show out tomorrow. So I'm not gonna go and stay tuned and do it for the vlog. My everyday life.
Shake it. Say them bad, but me no say my bother. Tell a bad mind boy suck him mother. She a climb on my body like ladder. She a suck it off.